Dear viewers, good day. Hope you all are doing well. The topic of discussion today is time value of money. One of the most popular, most discussed topics in finance, we all know. Although simple, sometimes this concept appears to be troublesome. So viewers, let's take a look what we have today. Definition: time value and finance. Timeline: future value, present value. Here comes what is time value of money. We can see 1 taka worth today may not bear the same worth after 2 days. The amount of goods we are able to buy with certain amount of money will not be able to buy those same amount after 1 year. What makes the difference here is time. So time makes sense. We can say the value of money changes with the change of time. This concept is called time value of money. So, why we need time value in finance? Finance deals with money. We can say finance is the tree which has its leaves in the shape of money. So, here valuation of money is a major thing. Time value always suggests us that 1 taka in future can be better than 1 taka today. So, investing would be better than holding. Here comes the finance. In financing decision, time value implies that outflow today can produce more inflows in future. So, financial analysts or experts rely greatly on time value of money to take better decisions. They use some tools to evaluate their financial decisions using the concept of time value of money. We will discuss these tools later in this chapter. Timeline: the line representing the change of the value of money with the change of time is known as timeline. We know with the passage of time, value of money fluctuates. And furthermore, if someone sacrifices today's consumption for better outcome in future, they need to be compensated. Here comes the opportunity cost. So, all these things, if we wanna present graphically on a straight line, this is known as timeline. In one word, or simply we can say in one sentence, timeline is the graphical presentation of time value of money. So here's the example of timeline. We can see here Pam Valenti wishes to find the present value of $1,700 that she will receive 8 years from now. Pam's opportunity cost is 8%. So, substituting future value, number of years and interest rate into the equation of determining present value, we have got the value present value. So all this analysis, the present value, the interest rate, the number of years, all have been depicted, we can see here in a straight line here, and subsequent years, 0 year, 1 year, 2 year till 8 years, all are presented on that line. So here we can say on 0 year, at which means the value of dollar we have currently at hand was $918 $918.46. With the passage of time, it changes and interest rate have been applied as well. So after 8 years, the Pam Valenti will get $1,700 at his hand. So all these are presented in this graphical line, which we can say timeline. Future value. Simply, if we wanna calculate the value of a certain amount of money we have today at hand after a certain time, this value should be called as future value. But deeply saying, here is something. Here's we have to say this value should be applied with the interest rate, which we call compound interest rate. What is compound interest rate and why we are saying it's compound? Because this needs to be calculated by adding with the principal after a specified time, and this future value calculation requires a specific formula as well. On the other hand, present value, same as the future value, we can say the current value of a future amount invested today applied with a specific interest rate is known as present value. Now we can see some examples. The first example we will discuss about calculating future value. We can say Jane Favre places $800 in a savings account paying 6% interest compounded annually. She wants to know how much money will be in the account at the end of 5 years. So what we have to calculate here? To know that, first we have to look at the question carefully. We can see here that she wants to know how much money will be in the account at the end of 5 years. So she wanna know the value of money she has at hand currently after 5 years. How much will be its value? So it's obvious that it will be future value. So here given the present value is $800, because we can say that she is placing $800 in a saving account currently. So we can say the present value is equal to $800, and here also given another important information, which is the interest rate is 6% and compounded annually. Later we will discuss about this annual compounding, monthly compounding, or bi-monthly compounding, but now we have to go to the simple formula. So here we can say the simple formula applied for the future value calculation, which we can say future value is equal to present value multiplying by 1 plus interest rate to the power number of years. Here substituting 800 multiplying by 1 plus 0.06 to the power 5, using the calculator we will get $1070.58 as the future value. Later on we will see the example of calculating present value. We can see a company, Moonshine Limited, wishes to find the present value of $2,000 it will receive after 10 years from now. Moonshine's opportunity cost is 10%. So what it wishes to find? It wishes to find the present value. It's simply given on the question, so we don't have to search for more. So to calculate the present value, there's a specific formula too, but first we have to identify what we need for it. Here's given given the future value is equal to $2,000 and the number of years is 10 and the opportunity cost is 10%. So first we have to substitute all these things into the formula of calculating present value. Present value is equal to future value multiplied to present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus interest rate to the power number of years. So here is future value equal to 2000, so 2000 divided by 1.10 to the power 10 equal to, we after using calculator we can get $771.10. Thanks for watching the video. You can contact me by my email address. It's given in the description box. Thank you very much everyone. Like, subscribe and share.